Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain how to launch control your Jaguar F-Type. Dynamic launch is a fantastic feature designed to maximize your vehicle's acceleration from a complete stop. It precisely manages engine power and gear shifts, ensuring you get the quickest possible takeoff. This system helps your F-Type's engine reach its ideal power band, delivering peak performance right from the start. Keep in mind that this exciting feature may vary across different F-Type models. Before engaging launch control, a few crucial steps ensure everything is set correctly. First, confirm your F-Type is completely stationary with the engine running. It is also vital that your steering wheel is pointed straight ahead. Next, activate dynamic driving mode, which prepares the vehicle's systems for aggressive acceleration. Finally, place your gear selector into either the drive or sport position, ready for the next stage of activation. Now for the exciting part, executing the launch. With your left foot, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. Simultaneously, use your right foot to lightly press the accelerator pedal. Maintain this until the instrument panel clearly displays the message "Dynamic Launch Ready." Once you see this, swiftly release the brake pedal and immediately press the accelerator pedal down to its full travel position. The display will then confirm "Dynamic Launch Active" as you accelerate. To ensure a successful and safe experience, remember a few important tips. If you make any manual gear selections using the paddles or selector, it will override the dynamic launch system. Also, holding the brake pedal for too long can deactivate the feature, so be decisive. Always choose a safe, controlled environment for practicing launch control. While exhilarating, frequent use can potentially increase wear on your F-Type's drivetrain components, so use it judiciously.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.